Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now guys, if you're new to the channel, then please do consider subscribing. We look at new and old technology, and just like this video, we will put things to the test. Right back to reviving laptops, both Windows and Apple. So if that's something that you do like, then do please subscribe. But guys, today we're looking at the cheap Temu bought knockoff Apple headphones. And of course, these are made to look like the AirPod Maxes. Now, what we need to put to the test here is obviously the £15 price tag against the £400 price tag. Is that extra money really worth it? Now, when I was looking at these and got them out, firstly, they do look pretty good. They look okay. They're fairly padded, fairly comfortable to wear. The thing that I do notice, obviously, it is all material. It's all kind of like a fake leather, PVC kind of feel. It's still, however, comfy. They turn one way outwards like that, just like normal. These do not come off. They're not magnetic, like on the real thing, but they are quite padded, and inside ear pieces are also padded as well. In terms of when we're turning them on, there are the buttons here, which are obviously not like the Maxes. You do have a aux cable, 3.5 jack there, and it also does come with a aux cable, so you can plug them in and don't have to use them wirelessly if you do not want to. It also comes with a USB-C charge port, which you also get a small USB-C charging cable with it as well. But that is pretty much it. You just get these three things in the box, which for a set of headphones is probably more than a lot of other headphones that we can get. What we're going to do today is we're going to put this to the sound test, and I've had a little bit of a play. Now, don't get me wrong, the quality of them is okay and standard for what you'd expect £15. I did a video last week about AirPod Pros and how disappointed I was with mine from first-hand value, mainly because of how quickly they broke. I went through two sets very, very quickly, and I decided to move away and change. And I think this is coming down to the same path. Is it really worth spending that amount of money? And I think the AirPod Maxes are meant to be fantastic. They are good. The quality is great. They're lightweight, and there is so much capability with that into the Apple ecosystem. But is it really worth that money? And if you want something that looks the same or similar, would these do? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my other microphone closer. We're going to have a quick listen to the audio. So as I turn it on, you'll notice straight away that it will make a noise and tell you that it turned on. Power on. You have volume controls on the side, and that on button, obviously we're holding it down to turn it on and off. That button also works as a stop and start. So if I go onto our YouTube video here, which is just set up one of my videos, it's just on one of my videos anyway, just in case. We don't want to play anyone else's videos, just in case for copyright, but still. So if I was to hit play on here, hello everyone, might help if I made sure they're connected. A minute ago, they did connect first time. So guys, you probably heard that then because the microphone is here and I'm away from it, but I actually turned them off. And when I actually click the button again and turn them on, it connected straight away to Bluetooth without me having to try again. So obviously you're not going to be able to hear the full likeness of these headphones because it's playing through a microphone here. However, you will be able to get some kind of inkling. Now guys, and they're quite loud. then you'll know everything that we have gone through. And that wasn't even full volume. Getting to this stage. Very, very loud. In this video, I'm going to be looking. Let's put it to half volume. Can it actually be used? I don't know what I don't obviously know at this stage of what you guys can hear. But let me know in your thoughts below. What's the quality like? When I was listening to it earlier on my this video with the headphones on my head, it didn't sound too bad. Okay, guys, so I've had a little quick review of that audio, and you can't hear it as well. I don't think the microphone was picking up as good. I could even hear it better from where I was sat. So I'm not sure what happened there. But what I did is I did a little bit of a test. I just went for a walk just around the block with cars and bits and pieces. And do you know what? They worked absolutely fine. And I didn't get any interference. I could hear everything clearly. I could hear the music clearly. I played some videos, scrolling through TikTok as you do. But yeah, I think they're okay. I think if you just wanted a kind of a no-nonsense wireless headset to go on the train, walk around, listen to music, generally sit on the sofa and listen to music, then these are going to be perfect. They're actually really loud, so you won't have any issues with the actual volume. Now, they are not as, I'd say, as clear and crisp as the Max is, but you'd expect that for £400 or near enough to that price. You would expect that. So I think these are a good, cheap alternative. I think if you are a professional and you need it for music production or anything along those lines, then spend more money, definitely. And I think that's not going to be a surprise for anyone whatsoever. But in terms of a cheap Team find, I think these are definitely a decent one. And I will probably be using these for a little while. I have got another pair of wireless headphones which I've just got, which are earbuds, which I do like as well. But these are definitely going to serve their purpose, especially if I can give them to one of the kids as well. They will definitely appreciate that. There is a microphone on the bottom here, and I think you're not going to get your noise cancellation, but because of how they go over your ears, but actually with everything playing in the background, and you couldn't really hear much anyway. So I think it is pretty decent. So guys, let me know your thoughts. Have you got a set of cheap headphones that you're really impressed with? Let me know what they are in the comments below and where you got them from. Or with these, would you consider a pair of these maybe? They look the part, they look good, they look similar, and actually the audio quality isn't that bad. So guys, thank you so much. Hit that like button, and if you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one.